Bienvenidos! Hey everybody, I'm here with another incredible grad student.
I'm Lily Olmo. I'm a Fisheries Biology graduate student, and today we're looking for otter food at the Arcata Marsh.
And how do you look for otter food?
To collect fish here in these tidally influenced wetlands, we use a couple of different techniques. One is a seine net, where we drag a net through the water to see what kind of fish are living in the marsh. And the second are fyke nets, which are going to track the movement of fish into and out of these marshes with the tide changes. And last, we're going to get some environmental data to understand what factors might be influencing the fish in the pond.
Nice. And so I wanted to ask you, what's something that makes your team special?
Our team is really unique because we have multiple different majors at Humboldt working on this project. We have a lot of women working in field biology and just different levels of experience that come together to get the work done.
And do you have any words of advice for anybody that's watching and they're like, I want research experience, please, like I want to get out in the field. Do you have any words of encouragement for them, or even words of encouragement for people considering grad school? Because that's a whole different ordeal, right?
Yeah. I would say to get yourself out there. Don't be afraid to be a little embarrassed sometimes. Fieldwork is not easy. We're trudging through mud and we're lifting heavy things and we look silly, and so I would just say to be open to those experiences and be open to making mistakes.
That is some of the best advice you're gonna get, so you better listen up to it. And that's all we have for today, and I really appreciate all of you checking this out. Come on, chocolate! Ah, there we go, nice.